Have you ever felt like you were doing everything right, but your bank account just didn't reflect it? You work hard, you're smart, you're trying, but somehow wealth feels like it's reserved for someone else, someone with better connections, better timing, or just better luck. Let me tell you something that might hurt, but might also set you free. It's not luck, it's not timing, it's not intelligence. It's a brutal set of invisible truths that most people never question. Truths that quietly keep people broke while others escape the system completely. And once you see them, you can never unsee them. If you're tired of being on the financial treadmill and ready to build the kind of life that gives you freedom, not just survival, hit that like button. Share this with someone who needs to hear it, and make sure you're subscribed, because this is the kind of content that changes lives. Now let's break the chains, one truth at a time. Why truth number one? The system was never built for wealth. It was built for obedience. Let's be real. The traditional system teaches you how to follow rules, not how to build wealth. From the first day of school, you're trained to sit down, raise your hand, follow instructions, and eventually earn a paycheck. But no one teaches you how money actually works. No one explains that saving in a bank account earning 1% interest, while inflation steals 5% of your purchasing power, is a guaranteed way to lose money. You were taught to earn, not to leverage. Wealthy people, they know the game is different. They understand systems, assets, tax laws, and compound interest. They play offense, while most people are stuck playing defense. The first escape is education, not school, real financial education. Truth number two. You're not being judged as much as you think, so take the shot. Ever held back from starting something because you were afraid of what people might say? Let me tell you a secret that changed my life. Everyone is too busy thinking about themselves to care about you. There's a psychological phenomenon called the spotlight effect. It makes you think everyone's watching your every move, but they're not. Most people are too busy worrying about their own image to care about yours. The wealthy know this. That's why they take risks, start businesses, post content, pitch ideas. While others wait for permission, they create opportunities. Here's the truth. Embarrassment won't bankrupt you, but inaction might. Truth number three. One no is never the final answer. Rejection feels final, but it isn't. We're taught that authority figures, bosses, lenders, gatekeepers have the final say. But here's the thing. Rejection is often just redirection. Every wealthy person has faced rejection. The difference is they don't stop at the first no. They ask different questions, knock on other doors, build their own door if they have to. Think about this. How many life-changing opportunities are sitting on the other side of your persistence? The poor stop after one closed door. The wealthy knock until the wall falls down. Truth number four. If you're not willing to invest, you'll always stay broke. We've been conditioned to save every penny, and saving is important. But hoarding money in fear is not wealth building, it's survival mode. People will spend $2,000 on a vacation, but hesitate to invest $200 in a skill that could 10x their income. They'll buy the latest phone, but won't upgrade the tools that could build their business. Here's the brutal truth. Money must flow to grow. The wealthy don't fear spending money. They fear wasting time. They outsource what they don't need to do. They invest in their minds, their networks, their tools. They understand that money spent wisely becomes a seed, not a loss. Truth number five. FOMO will keep you poor. We live in a world where comparison is constant. Scroll through Instagram and you'll feel like everyone's living their dream life. Designer clothes, rooftop dinners, 5-star vacations. And you're trying to budget groceries. It's enough to make you feel like you're missing out. And that's exactly how people stay broke. The fear of missing out makes you spend money to look rich instead of doing the hard, quiet work to become rich. But let me ask you, would you rather look wealthy today or actually be wealthy tomorrow? The wealthy trade short-term validation for long-term vision. They say no today so they can say yes every day in the future. Truth number six. Thinking won't save you. Action will. This one hits hardest. You can read every book, watch every video, take every course, but until you act, nothing changes. Analysis paralysis is real. We want the perfect plan, the perfect timing, the perfect niche, but perfection doesn't build wealth, momentum does. Wealthy people act fast, learn fast, fail fast, and adjust. They're not fearless. They're just more afraid of regret than of mistakes. You'll never feel 100% ready, and that's okay. Start messy, start small, just start. Here's what no one tells you. Wealth isn't just about money. It's about freedom. It's about options. It's about never having to ask, can I afford this? Again. And escaping poverty, mental, emotional, and financial, isn't about luck. It's about unlearning what keeps you broke and rebuilding what sets you free. If this video opened your eyes, even just a little, I want you to do 3 things right now. Like this video so more people see it. Subscribe so you never miss the next step in your financial escape plan. Comment below with the truth that hit you the hardest. This journey isn't easy, but it's worth it. Because freedom is never given, it's earned. And your escape starts today.